and we have different multiples for different kind of products, because you need to have your COGS in place, your logistics, your marketing spends, and also I think in India there's a huge call-out business where you have to say 30% off, 50% off. So all of that infra is built in, and we manage products sadly in Excel sheets. So I'm going to learn how we can grab Excel and automated tools. So a lot of people are providing. And thanks to Unicommerce for inviting me today. So it's Mahani, I learned a lot.
One last question. What role does technology play in making D2C operations more profitable?
Yeah, so technology plays everything. I think you can't do things without Unicommerce or ShipRocket and all the tech stack that we use, and the marketing tools that we get, and all the back-end portals of Amazons and Mintras that help us to know what worked, what didn't work. And there are like a million tools that we're still looking at for A/B testing and so many interesting things. It's a whole new world for us. It's an exciting time for that.
For offline also, I think you can suggest how we can do for offline also.
Yeah. So we are going to be doing omni-channel soon, where customers can see the product on a Baggett.com, pick it up from here, or vice versa, and hopefully at some point through Amazon's or Myntra's and the store integration, where the stock need not be kept in so many dark stores, but our shops can be utilized. So that's another thing that we would look at. But today we are using whatever marketing, AI pictures and videos that we have to make for to sell on Amazon or to sell on DTC. You have to do marketing collaterals. So we are using that in our stores, because जैसे हमारे दुकानें हैं normally, like how the earlier speakers were saying, there's a mall or there's a main street and customers are going to walk in, and Baggett is an established product. They have a sense कि यार quality सही है, product सही है, design बढ़िया है. So they will just automatically come and buy, and we are an organically grown brand. We've never done much of marketing, but today thanks to online में तो बताना ही पड़ेगा product क्या है. You have to show the features, you have to show the woman carrying it. So using all of that collaterals, even in the store televisions and a lot of places in the offline world is also integrating.
Well, like you mentioned that you are going into offline space, right? So what made Target think of going into a D2C space?
So I think it's a world of online is coming in, right? All of us are addicted to the Zeptos, and we can't live without quick commerce today. Similarly, I think घर का सारा सामान तो you go to Amazon, or my driver will pick up Amazon से ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. So you can't live without it. So it is part of it. And my daughter, for example, she's a 25-year-old. She's only buying stuff from Instagram. उनको तो brand की भी नहीं पड़ी होती है. कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगी, we are like So it's a whole new world, and it's always interesting to learn new things, right? It's exciting. नहीं तो वही करके बोर करता है.
Thank you so much, yeah.
All right, thank you so much for wrapping up this panel discussion. And if we could felicitate our panelists with a bouquet. I request Mr. Karan to please present the bouquet to Mr. Sumit Somani. Mr. Rajendra Pal. Mr. Ashish Singh. And Ms. Neena Lekhi. Thank you so much for such an insightful presentation and session. I'm sure all of our esteemed guests here got a lot of knowledge out of this session. Let's smile for the group picture, and then we will be moving on to our next session. Thank you so much. And for our next session, could I please call on stage Mr. Sanjay Shukla.